Hey kid, what are you doing up there?
Honey? Honey? I'm Rob Hoover from Woodbridge, Virginia. I'm 39 years old, I'm married, with children, and life is good.
Daddy.
I'm an inventor, musician, caver, hiker, small business owner, robotics engineer, math tutor, computer geek. Oh, and I think I've cracked time travel. But that's not important right now. No, I'm not rich enough to be considered eccentric, so I guess crazy you'll have to do. What do I like most about Woodbridge? My church. It's like a second home to me.
It's great for climbing!
Did I mention that I'm the children's pastor? My team and I are teaching tomorrow's adults to be men and women of faith, character, and confidence. Plus, I think the kids like having Spider-Man as a teacher. I'm also a parkour instructor at Urban Evolution. Yeah, you probably guessed it. I work with kids. But I work with adults too. I teach them how to be a kid again. And if that doesn't work, I show them. Why do I want to be on American Ninja Warrior? My dad always told me I could accomplish anything if I put my mind to it. All my life, I've tested myself against the greatest challenges I could find. This competition is the Everest of obstacle courses. I want to crack at Midoriyama.
Daddy is my ninja.